Right now, you can take advantage of this awesome introductory offer and get one each of our premier cream products for only $12. That's right, just $12 for all 4 sample size creams jars. An incredible value. And the best part is that you get to experience the real effects of these unbeatable CBD creams. The ladies love our everyday lemongrass lavender for sore hands that type or massage all day. Of course, men love it for rough dry hands too. You'll also get the super effective extreme pain cooling cream for joints, muscle pain and spasms, migraines and sinus headaches. And you'll also experience the warming cream that helps with arthritis, hand, foot and joint pain, and sore muscles. And finally, the awesome healing cream, perfect for bug bites, rashes, eczema, psoriasis, and burns, cuts, and scrapes. Once you've tried Naked Science CBD, you'll be a user for life.